always save a couple of pieces or order a couple of pieces more of sod when you're doing installation of grass sod, because you may have situations where you have areas of the sod that's damaged or for whatever reason. Take this piece for instance. See how it's kind of like all dull and dead, depressed looking? Who knows what that is? So what I did is went through, cut that section out right here, took a section of the side that we just laid down, that saved, put it in there like that, get all the edges and stuff down in there good. Take and water it down, stomp it out, compact it up, water it down, you're good to go. So always order a little bit more so you can have some to replace damaged sections of your turf.